All clear. Is it all?
All clear, Frank.
All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole.
Couple of them that's ready to go.
We're going to have to work on those stimulus techniques, God damn.